Hey, Team Relentless. How are you, YouTube viewers? Today, Chellez is going to teach you how to use Canva.com to create posters and flyers and graphics for your social media, all for free. So I'm going to log in. Let's share the screen here. I'm going to log into Canva.com. It's a free site. All you need to do is sign up with your email and you're good to go. I have a folder called Team Relentless here that I can share with you so you can get started with just a few graphics, just an idea of what different graphics could look like. You can create all kinds of designs. I'll do that later, but let's kind of work within a graphic that I already created. So let's say, for example, you want to introduce a new team member. Click this one here, click edit. I did allow it to edit. And you're going to go to this screen here where your graphic will appear if you were to save it or to share it. This here on the left is how you create and change and edit anything. So this right here is a layout that Canva had in their layout selection here. So all you need to do is type out different images that you're looking for. And you can use any of these pre-made layouts. You can always edit, change the font, move the picture, and so forth. So this one is with the hibiscus. I just kind of resized the words, changed the font, the color, whatever you need to do. For this area here, you want to click in the box and you see that little cross. You're going to see all of this pop up. You can change the font, the size, the color. Right now it's black, bold, italics. You can even move it to be on the left side, center, or the right side. And if you wanted to copy this image, you can copy it. If you wanted to arrange it, for example, if you wanted to move this image towards the back, you can do that, or forward. And of course, if you didn't need it, you delete by throwing it in the trash, okay? So for example, you're gonna highlight that text right there and you can type a new text, okay? Then let's say you want to add the person's photo. Grab a photo, save it onto your computer. Let's say I'm gonna use this photo. Girl, watch your face. Love this book. You're gonna get your cursor, move it wherever you want. You see these 4 circles? These are your corners where you can either enlarge upwards, or maybe you want to get it larger. You can grab the other corner and so forth, okay? And then I want to make sure it fits properly. So I'm going to put it right there, and I can always grab a corner and move it outwards to increase the size, okay? Let's say you wanted to crop an image. Select crop, and you're going to see these 4 corners here. So let's say I want it over Rachel Hollis. You can grab the corner, you can go up and down. So let's say I'm gonna grab her image right here. When you're done, click check, and you're good to go. And again, you can grab the corner and enlarge it. And there you go. Cool, right? Then what you want to do is download it to your computer, or if you'd like to share it to social media, you can do that. Be sure to log in at first. Let's go back to this left side here. If you wanted to change the background, I would suggest use a free image. For example, if I wanted to do this, I can always change it to this. If you don't like it, just undo your work and you're back to start. I usually use free, but if you want to, there's a cost to some of these images. For example, you know, we're headed to fall and there's some nice fall images. You have to pay $1 for that, okay? So I always go for the free. For text, same thing. You can use some already made text images here. All you have to do is click it and it'll show up here, and you can edit, change color, change size. Or what I normally do, if I just want to add a heading, like for example this name here, or if I'm adding something in the corner, I just select one of these and it'll show up like this on your screen. You see this where it says add heading. You can move it where you want. And what you're going to do is you're going to get this cursor here, put it in the box, delete all of that, and start typing. I'm going to just type test. You can change the color. Say you want it red, blue, gray. I can change the size. I can go larger. I can change the font as well. Okay, and there you go. Again, if you don't want what you added to your graphic there, just delete it and it's gone. Elements, there's so much to choose. Free photos, grids, frames, shapes, lines, illustrations, icons, charts. I love Canva. Let me just click on the shapes here. I use this all the time to create graphic boxes. So all you do again is click, and then you can change the color. You can size it. So let's say I want to size it to fit in this pre-made image template. Okay. Let's say I want all those fonts and the picture to show up. I'm going to select Arrange, and I'm going to push this graphic back, and it'll show the picture. I click back again, it'll show the font. I'll keep going until it shows everything that used to be on my flyer. Okay, again, if you don't want it, just delete. Okay, then there's layouts. I went over that. If you wanted to do a search, you can. If you want to resize, you want to undo anything. If you want to copy this graphic, let's say you have several people that you're adding to the team, you can go to File, make a copy, and you have another copy just like it. You can work in another image and post a different image altogether. Again, download it to your computer and post your new graphic on your social media. If you wanted to change the name, you can go to Design Title and create different names for your images. Whenever you make changes, Canva is saving your changes, which is really good, so you don't lose your work, which is so amazing, because sometimes you forget to save and it's like, oh my gosh, where did my image go? Canva saved it for you. Okay, so I hope that helps. If you want me to share my Team Relentless images to get you started, just email me your email address that you use for Canva. Hope this helps. I love Canva. I know there's other ones out there, but I have found Canva to be so user-friendly, and I use it a lot. Love you all. Take care now. Let me know if you have any questions.